Okay, now we're gonna go just do a country drive, and it's a weird day because it might end up raining, and I may not keep this on. We'll see. Let's go. Cows? You see them? Look out your window. Can you do your windshield? Hey, cows.
What we discovered about Owl Hollow Farms is that it's a rescue for neglected and abused horses, and then they match those horses up with at-risk and special needs kids through a mentoring process. I mean, it is so cool.
The picnic tables. Random picnic. Smells like fall outside. Cute.
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion. We both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say.
Happy harvest. Happy fall.
Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing. Give it a big like if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.
Oh, one more thing. Do you think this is too early? I went to Kirkland's and look what they had.
And,
I may have put my tree up already, but it's just the Christmas lights. Look, I want to show you. The rest? It's all Thanksgiving. Have you put your Christmas stuff out yet? Let me know in the comments below. Bye, guys.